Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are on Windows 11, you are getting the Patch Tuesday security updates. Today, we are, of course, the 9th of November, the second Tuesday of the month. Second Tuesday equals Patch Tuesday security updates. These are mandatory, these are important to install. They keep your computer safe from outside attacks. And of course, in the past weeks and months, we've had quite a lot of 0 days and of very critical flaws in Windows that need to be fixed. So it's important to do so. They have been released about 20 minutes ago, the usual time frame for the security updates. So this is 2021 cumulative update for Windows 11, KB50072115 for Windows 11. And of course, there's the Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool update that goes with it, usually always at the same time on Patch Tuesday. So what we're going to do today, of course, is now that we're just posting the video that, these are available now, we'll take a look at the general updates later today and see what different versions of Windows have in how many, security flaws and how many are critical, how many are important, and so on. We'll be looking at all of that together a little later today when the blog posts are there. Any 0 days or any security flaws that are of importance we will mention, and we'll be checking that out for sure. So later, look at our post of a video for the different updates and what security flaw is important in here. And how many also, because some of the months have been quite big and quite active, so we'll be taking a look at what's all there, and also at the install phase if everything went well. So as you see here, I'm downloading and installing as we go. So this is for Windows 11, and of course there are some for Windows 10. I will be posting my video for the Windows 10 version soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.